Hey y'all, it's Megan again here on the Lawson Farm. Today we're going to be learning about dough bowls. I know a lot of people don't use these anymore to make their biscuits, breads, things like that. But I actually was looking up, trying to find some information about dough bowls to see how many people do still use them. And really the only thing that I could find was people making them for decoration, people using them for decoration. So I want to show y'all today the real use for them. We're going to make some biscuits. So I know I already have one buttermilk biscuit floating around on YouTube out there somewhere. So this one I'm going to do a little different. That recipe I used butter as my fat binder. So today I'm going to be using my lard that I rendered back when we were killing our hogs. If you're interested in learning about how to do that, do it the easy way in the crock pot. And I'll put a link on this video so you can find that. That was my oven preheating over there for these delicious biscuits. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use this thing. So I already have my flour poured out in here, okay? So the first thing that we want to do is we want to take this and we're going to make ourselves a little bowl. We're going to pat it down. I am sure many of you have saw Mama or Grandma doing this. So we're just going to make us a little tight little bowl right here in the middle. Okay? See, I'm using my knuckles. And you know, making biscuits like this, they truly are made with love when you make them like this, because no forks, no spoons, no rolling pins. Just your well-seasoned hands and the love from your heart. Alright, so I got that patted down pretty well in the middle. The light's kind of weird in here, so I'm not even sure that y'all can see that. But, alright, so the next thing we're going to do, this is my self-rising flour too. I just poured my self-rising flour in there. I haven't measured anything. But you can do the all-purpose flour and go ahead and mix in your baking powder and baking soda if you want. But y'all know I'm lazy and I use self-rising flour. Alright. So the next thing we need is a little buttermilk. So I actually have the real deal buttermilk today. Last time I used the powdered version. We're just going to pour a little bit into our little bowl that we just made. Okay. Again, no measuring. I just filled up my little bowl. And then I'm going to take my lard and I'm going to get a little bit of lard out. Probably a couple tablespoons if I had to guess to tell you how much to put in there. Alright, so got that in there. Now, our hand is the worker here, okay? So we're going to take that. We're going to work all that in. We're going to mash up that lard. You just kind of pull your flour in from around the edges, okay? And we're going to make us a ball of dough here. But we just keep mixing it in. Hold this up here where y'all can see it. Until we got a little bit of dough here, okay? So actually what I need is a hair bit more buttermilk, so I'm going to pour a little bit more in there. My dough's getting a little drier than I want it. Okay, so we're going to keep on mixing. So you see my dough there. We're just mixing, grabbing some of that flour on the edges there. See there? We're making us a nice piece of dough to make us some biscuits. Okay? Alright. You just stir and stir and it kind of grabs the dough that you've got on the outer corners of it. Alright. Just gonna roll our little biscuit out. Flatten it out a little bit. There you go. Lay it on my pan. I love doing things the old time way. I know a lot of people are like, why you do it that way? You do it the hard way. Just because I like doing it. It's a lost art that people don't do anymore. So I want to preserve that if I can. So I'll bake them in the oven on 425 for about 20 minutes or until they're done, until they're golden brown. I'll just keep an eye on them. So we'll see you in about 20 minutes. Alright, so my biscuits cooked right at about 20 minutes. Got a nice little golden brown top. I've already tasted one. They're very good. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you'd like to, subscribe to the channel if you're into old-time cooking, southern cooking. I do more like the Appalachian style cooking is what I consider it. You know, cooking like the mountain folk. But anyways, that's what I enjoy. So if you're into that stuff, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want notifications of when I put a new video up, hit that little bell. And again, thank you so much. Hope everybody has an awesome day. And I will see y'all next time.